So next in our series, ManyChat in 2 minutes, the question, is ManyChat complicated? Do you need to know how to code? That's another great topic that actually comes up very often from many considering if they should sign up for ManyChat or not. Now, before making any true commitments, they'll want to know if understanding how to code is required, whether that's PHP, Java, CSS, or any of the popular programming languages available. As a prior web developer myself who had to know many of these, I'm happy to say that you absolutely do not need to know or learn any programming. ManyChat is completely codeless for you to use and start immediately building chatbots. Instead of programming languages, ManyChat uses intuitive visual references for quick setups and advanced automation creation. And to answer that last part, is it complicated? Well, I must be honest. What may be easy for me may be challenging for you, and vice versa. I will say this though. I've met many non-programming individuals who've begun creating automations with ManyChat very quickly, and they've built some incredible chatbots you wouldn't believe. I hope that answers your question. By the way, since you're interested in ManyChat, I have something I know you're going to love, and it's free. Check out my 3-in-1 ManyChat freebie that'll help you improve your current ManyChat setup and increase your conversions. You'll get access to 50 suggested keywords that are proven to be used more with less incidental DM triggers. No more apologizing for messages your chatbot accidentally sent. And how about 100 call to action specifically focused to entice more viewers to comment those suggested keywords and receive your automated messages? Last, a few effective strategies and tips that'll provide deeper insight on how to make your ManyChat automations better for you and your leads. To get the 3-in-1 ManyChat freebie, you can do one of the following. 1. Scan this QR code on the screen. Or 2. Visit the link on my YouTube channel to get access to everything I listed. This is your opportunity to begin working smarter, not harder with ManyChat and DM automation. Get your freebie now.